Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I am going to unbox this. This is black off-white Vapormax, Nike Vapormax. So not sure why it didn't come with the box. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed since it's been cut. So it comes with this yellow Chinese zip tie. Got your Nike swoosh with the air in quotation and then the orange tab. Off-white trademark for Nike Air Vapormax, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, copyright 2018. And this is your tongue right here. This one is size 9.5. Then it comes with the extra laces. Check it out. So it's supposed to say in quotation shoes laces like this, but somehow it didn't come with it. I gotta talk to the seller to see what's going on. So these are made in China. Alright, hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification. Alright guys, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.